Hi, this is Chinmay from GI Ultimate. In this video, I shall introduce the off-canvas element for Geon Builder editor. So, with this element, you can create a off-canvas panel for your site. On my site, I have a button on the header. When I click on this button, off-canvas panel will appear. So first, I am going to the Geon Builder GI Ultimate element settings page and activating the off canvas element. Now I shall go to the my theme builder. So here is the Geon builder theme builder and going to the header builder layout. So here is my button. I shall add the off canvas element. So I am putting the off canvas element outside of the section. You will always put the off canvas element outside the sections. Okay, going to the GI Ultimate category. Here is the off canvas element. Clicking on it, it is the default preview, and here is a plus icon. You can add any element here. So this is totally a flexible element. I open the off-canvas panel settings. This is the off-canvas panel settings options. First option is the disable builder preview. So when you will add or edit the content on the off-canvas panel, you will enable the builder preview. After completing the work, you will disable the preview. Otherwise, it will create the issue when you will add or edit the other pages. So best option is that you should disable the builder preview when your work will done. So I enable this option first. Second option is trigger selector. Here you will put this button selector ID there. So when I will click on it, this off canvas panel will trigger. That reason I put the trigger selector field. You can add multiple trigger selector option here with comma separator. Here is the panel position option. You can place it at left, top, right or bottom. This four option is available right now. So next, here is the transition duration for the sliding effect. You can disable the side scroll also. Default is yes. Next feature is the reveal panel option. When you enable it, panel will automatically show on page load. By default, this option is disabled. When you enable, you will get a transition delays options here. You can adjust the time, so after few seconds the panel will automatically appear. Next feature is backdrop. You can enable or disable the backdrop, adjust the background color. Next option is fade duration. So you can adjust the duration time. All time you will set up the value based on your panel transition effect. Next is scroll bar settings, but this option is not supporting to all browser, so you will use it as per your requirement or design based. By default it is disabled. Now I shall add some content on my up canvas panel. First I am going to add the heading element. Basically I am showing just a simple demo here. Now I am adding a simple image element. Adding a button element. Last, I shall add the menu element. So I am going to add my accordion menu element here, giving some space, selecting the menu. So this is the menu. Preview is coming here. Now I shall show you how we'll rearrange the element. If you want, you can rearrange the element, but you will not select the drag and drop options. You will use the tree view panel UI, because drag and drop option can create the issue or you will confused. So you can see that I am using tree view and changing the button positions. Here I am using the drag and drop, but it is a little bit complex, so I shall suggest that you will use the tree view options and rearrange the elements. So this will be the best options for you when you rearrange the element under the off canvas panel. Now I shall show you how we'll trigger the off canvas panel. I disable the off canvas panel first and going to the button selector. Under the advanced tab, I already put the element unique ID. I am copying this ID and putting into the trigger selector field. Now I am saving the page and check the preview on front end. Here is my front end. I am refreshing the page. Also hard refreshing because cache can create the issue. So on trigger you can see that off canvas panel is appearing, and see the I forgot to mention one thing here, how to customize the off canvas panel itself. So I added a styling section and for off canvas panel. Under off canvas panel styling section, you can adjust the background color, width, size, spacing, etc. So first I am enabling the builder preview. Now I am going to off canvas panel styling section, edit the width, putting the width. You can also adjust the size, margin, etc. Under the breakpoint, you can adjust the every values and make the responsive effect for your off canvas panel. So this way you can adjust the off canvas panel element.